Hey guys, this is the Tapo C120 review. This is a small camera with high resolution and interesting features. Let's just take a look. Here's the camera with the base. The camera is foldable. It comes like this. Pretty nice. Then you can just unfold and use the base here on your desk, for example. Or you can even stick this to some metallic surface, okay? Here, for example, I have this plate that I can stick the camera to. You can just install this onto a wall. It comes here with this template. So you just use the template, you drill the holes on a wall, and then you install the metallic plate and stick the camera there. Or you can even use this sticker instead of the screws. Talking about screws, it comes here, the screws and anchors, and also a quick start guide so you can just take a look the way you can install this camera and also to set it up, okay? So here you see a microphone in front of the camera and a speaker on the back. So basically the camera has bidirectional audio. Somebody close to the camera can listen to you when you talk on your cell phone, and you can also listen to them, okay? And there's a lens in the center, the light, so the camera turns the light on at nighttime, you see with color, and you can also use the infrared light. And there are different options for infrared light. Let me just take a look here at the box so you see the information. There we go, infrared light, 850 nanometers or 940 nanometers, okay? This means here it's a visible infrared light. You can see the small LED there, and this one is not visible. So you don't see anything there. So basically you can just install your camera. Nobody sees that's there on the dark, and you can see everything, all right? Here also a slot for the SD card. So basically you can insert the SD card here, and you don't need to pay for subscriptions if you don't want to. There's a subscription available from Tapo Care, so you can record to the cloud and into the card here at the same time, which I recommend because if something happens to your camera or to your card, you have the recording back there on the cloud, okay? But it's optional. And here's a reset button. The card's already here. I was testing this camera before. You can just close this and seal. It's pretty good because it's a weatherproof camera. Let's just take a look here at the information. You see that you have this camera with IP66 waterproof and dust resistance, okay? Super good. You see here showing the quality of the camera, basically 2K resolution. You see in the dark with color night vision. So to use this camera, just need to use the Tapo app. The camera comes with this cable that you just plug here. It's a USB-C, and you just connect to the power supply. It comes also with the adapter, okay? And you see that the camera boots up. The LED here shows red and then changes to green, which means the camera is working. Let's just put the camera here and bring the Tapo app. So I grab my cell phone here, and here's the Tapo app. Just open it up, and I can see my camera just right here, the Tapo C120. Okay, the installation, the setup here is very easy as well. We just need to come here to the top, add a device, and then you look for indoor cameras and search for the Tapo C120. And here's going to instruct you how to set up, right? Basically, you just need to connect the cable to power, and here's the LED starts flashing red and green. You just confirm here, and you select here your Wi-Fi, find the camera on the network, and follow the other steps. So pretty simple, okay? I already did that before. It takes like less than 2 minutes to get it done. And back here, I'm just getting to the camera. Here you see the buttons that you can have a screenshot. You can also record here on your cell phone. Of course, there's an SD card there. The camera is recording right now, but you can also record here on your cell phone if you want to for some reason, right? And you can use here the speaker and the talk communication, turn the alarm on and off, activate the privacy mode so the camera cuts the stream, right? And also turn on the lights. You see here, turn on the light for 5 minutes. See back there. Super good. And you see the timer here as well. Tag on or off. So basically you can see tags around the object and person. So you see that somebody walking around or it's a pet. You see the indication there with the tag. Okay. Tapo Care. So you can try have the trial for 30 days. And it's pretty good. Here are the features of the camera. You see here the name. You can change the name. You can activate the Tapo Care free trial, storage and recording. Basically here you can just check the SD card and start recording with loop recording. Recording schedule, can record by motion detection or continuous recording. You can just come here and paint everything or just unpaint, and you see that I have recordings here by motion detection, here by continuous, and no recording. And you just need to save if you want to. I'm just cancel this. Here, video display, you can just change the quality, enable privacy zones, enable the tags that I was talking about, and display info. So you can basically control everything here from this camera. Have notification on your cell phone. Here on advanced settings, something interesting, you can create a camera account, and then you can use with other apps. Instead of using the Tapo apps, you can use, for example, with the TinyCam app. I have another video here on the channel where I show how to use this. And also with your Fire Stick, you can stream directly to your Fire Stick using VLC, for example. So pretty interesting. It's rare to see this on small cameras like this, right? So pretty interesting. UPnP, so you can connect to your router and do the configuration. User guide, smart actions. Basically here you can make the triggers for different actions. So something happens, the camera can start recording, can turn on the light and things like this. So super useful. And from here you can upgrade the firmware and reboot the camera as well. Okay, so overall this camera is very good. I was testing this for some time. The resolution is pretty good, and also the camera can see in the dark with good quality. Okay, so I recommend this camera. You can get yours on Amazon. It's an affordable camera. Go there and get yours. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to this channel, leave your thumbs up and your comments, and I see you in the next one.